Hey. Today we are going to make a dark R&B The Weeknd type beat. I always like to start making the chords, so I'm going to be using this pad right here. This is Omnisphere. And basically here we are going to make a chord progression. Starting right here with a minor chord. Yeah, this sounds nice. Now I'm going to put some kind of bass, and I'm going to use those first notes of each chord. Those are the tonic notes. So I just copy and then paste. Will be those two notes. This sounds nice. Let's put some melody over with some bells. This will be better. Great, this will be the melody. Now let's make the drums and the bass. We will change this hi-hats a little bit. Dun 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 pum pum. Yeah. Now we only need to make the bass. And will be those same notes right here that we already made on this one. So yeah, the bass will be this one. So I just paste this. What we are going to make is two bass. The first one will be this one, and the second one will be for the verses. So we are going to cut the bass every time the snares plays. So here is a snare, so we cut the bass. Then again we start again with a kick and then stop on the snare. So that will be it. Okay. Now this one, I'm going to use this bass for the whole song, for the whole beat. Yeah. Now the last thing, crash. So now you only have to make the intro, the chorus, and the verse, and all those stuffs. Yeah, so that will be it. If you liked it, subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And I'll see you on the next video. Here's the final beat.